Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you today how to remove your wing mirror cover. So if you're wanting to get to the chrome bit or whatever bit you have at the back here, you need to access it through the front or through the mirror first. You need to take this out without snapping it ideally. I'm going to use a spoon and a sock. So guys, you first want to push your mirror all the way in on this side, so you've got a lip over here. I'm using the sock so I don't damage my mirror, so socks over the spoon. I'm going to leverage it inside the mirror here. Try and get it as much surface area cover as possible. Something happened there. Nearly there. Now just move your spoon around or your leveraging device, because I've clearly unclipped the bottom part of the frame, now going up to the top. I'm just very gently trying to pull this off now. Success. So guys, this is what it looks like. That's the massive clip we were trying to avoid snapping. Okay, you got to be mindful of these as well. This is your motor, so you can actually twist and pivot your mirror. And all we need to do, guys, is to get into these clips at the back here. So you see these clips there, okay, clips here. Let that focus in, give you guys a bit of an idea. So you got to get all those clips out in order to push this wing mirror out. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to try and just push these clips where I can see them without snapping them, because we are respraying it. So if you're doing an aftermarket from Koshi, I think that they give you ones or covers that you just literally glue on. However, because we're keeping the OEM and respraying it, we don't want to break anything. We want this whole piece. So we've got this bottom one out, probably the easier one. You just got to fiddle around, guys, and see which ones you can get out the most. They are quite tough. Safe to say all clips are still intact. Now we can sand this bad boy down and mud it how we want.